Hello everyone, so just inside Dollar Tree, and I wanted to point out some of these really great markers that work with your Cricut. I know some of you asked, and there's red, there's blue, and there's typically black, but it looks like they are sold out. Let's see what else is here today. They do have some new stickers, so I've been pointing them out as they've kind of been showing up here. And I need some birthday stickers. I have to make some cards. I always like making cards. Does anyone else enjoy making cards with stickers? And these are sweet, aren't they? They're 3D. There's different ones. A little boat. I love the poodle though. And the little bones. A little airplane and a passport. Lots of new stickers. These are the clear ones. Look at this one's cute for even Easter. It has a little bunny. But yeah, they come off as transparent, so then you can just easily apply them to anything. Oh, see, these are new, brand new. They're like a chipboard type sticker. These are also new. So cute. Is anyone doing paper crafts these days? They would work really nice. Take a peek here and see what's new. They have these back, the premium cardstock supply, which is great because it gives you a variety of different paper. The glass mosaics are really nice too, these ones here. They have a variety of colors. Not very many in a bag. I thought that was metal, but it's more like a string. I'm still in search of the little peg wood. This stuff, has anyone used this? I forget if that one is good or if it's not too sticky. I don't know, I guess Dollar Tree doesn't have the little wooden peg people. I think I had found them a few weeks ago and now they're all gone. This is new. Wood coaster set, so they have the round pieces. You could do lots of decoupaging and transforming and using them to paint on. Lots of things you can do with them. These are cute too, as little legs even. Like if you did a tray and you needed little legs, these would work well. Lots of wood today. And I'm like, what can I do with these? These are Dollar Tree's Cricut dupes. So they have like some of the tools and then they also have some of the supplies now. I love, and I am so happy to see these here. Love these. I did something really nice for Christmas with it. I think I might even, I have a couple I think at home. I can do something for Valentine's. The little garden doors back for Elf on the Shelf for Christmas if you need it. These are cute stands made of wood. I wonder what else you could display with them. Not just art, but I'd have to look that up. Other ways to use the little easel in my craft room. I will be honest, when I'm at Dollar Tree, I probably skip out on the treat aisle the most. I go up and down every aisle, but this is one aisle that I do typically kind of skip past. And I know some of you have been asking, so I came down here. It's just to avoid the temptation. I am a huge lover of gummies and chocolate, so if I just don't see it, I don't think about it. But these are really good too, but they've gone up in price. Just running down this aisle quickly because the last time I was in and I filmed for you and shared with you, they had a bunch of Dove cream, but it looks like there's nothing here today. They do have this new line. Has anyone tried it? It's all mint based. So they have a lip scrubber, the mint lip, and the like a oil. Anyways, if anyone has any feedback, they have some awesome exfoliating options here for the shower or bath. The nice thing with Dollar Tree is you'll even find products like travel size brand names. So always, if you're needing things to test out, oh, these are great for organizing in your craft room. I was just mentioning in the toiletry aisle that if you're looking to test something, Dollar Tree typically has some really nice brand name things in travel size if you wanted to try it out. Those are cute for Easter. The colors. They have some really nice pastels. They also have Vaseline for your lips. I know some of you love the fashion nails from Dollar Tree. What is your favorite box to go to? Is it these ones here, or is there a specific brand that you like best from Dollar Tree? They have some more lip things here. Oh, the diamond nail file. Is all the makeup in one aisle at your store, at your Dollar Tree? This Dollar Tree has this aisle, and then they have an end cap filled with makeup, and then the aisle as well. So it's kind of a treasure hunt around here. By the way, I talk to you guys about these acrylic / plastic clear containers all the time, and I have a feeling that some of them are not coming back. This one here with the 3 divider and the lid, it's one of my favorite, but the chunkier one with the lid, I can't find it anywhere. So I'm going to go on a hunt for them before they disappear. And I know that when something is gone from Dollar Tree like that, it typically never comes back. I've learned that with some other stackable clear containers I have in my craft room. I know some of you really appreciate when I share the Dollar Tree makeup finds. So they've had some e.l.f. and Revlon, and then LA Colors is typically found. And this is new. Has anyone tried this lip oil? I'm always surprised when I see something I hadn't seen on my last visit and it's almost cleared out. Here's some of the Lip Smacker brand, but it's all the same. There's a ton of chapsticks on this end. There's Nerds and Soft Lips and Lipsil. These are new here at Dollar Tree. I hadn't seen these cups before. This is the first time I'm noticing them, unless they're usually placed in a different area of the store. And Reach. I don't know, I feel like I recognize that brand. There's gum as well. Actually, that reminds me I need to get some floss. I like these little ones. They fit perfect in my purse, in the car, in my bathroom. These little bags work really nicely in the bathroom. So instead of a garbage bag in the kitchen or anything, it's not going to hold up well because they're really thin. I wish that there was one here that would, or a sample hanging. Sometimes they have a sample. I'm going to grab a pack because I like them in my little tiny bathroom garbage bins. And supposedly they're scented. I Maybe the lemon ones are more scented, but the ones I grab are not that scented. I purchased a bottle of this maybe a month or so ago, and I tried it. I washed my garbage bins with it, and it smells nice. I like it. It works well. Versus normally I use Clorox, and I'm really happy with it. So every once in a while when I see a new product on the shelf at Dollar Tree, I am willing to try it out. Some things I'm not a fan of. I just like the dish soap. I just kind of skip over, but then other cleaning products I'll give a try. This is new. I've never noticed these really nice pages. They are dual-sided though. That's the only thing maybe. I've never noticed these before, but they are part of their line, so they should be here more often or going forward. I came down here to see if there were any of the little peg people in the kids area, like if they had moved them down here, but I didn't see them. And there's some coloring books, some new ones. I know some of you love to color. I haven't colored in a long time. I should pull out my coloring books before winter's over. Oh, here's some Precious Moments. I used to have a cute Precious Moments coloring book when I was a kid. I might even still have it. These are Crayola. Paw Patrol. That's a cute one too. If you're buying any of these poster board packages, be mindful that some are 5-piece. This one here has 5 pieces and some only have 4 pieces. Okay, I'm just going to say, if you love Reese's Pieces and O. Henry, these two in this bar have come together and made the best chocolate bar ever. I tried it at Halloween time. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm in the checkouts. I think I'm going to say goodbye for now. Hope you enjoyed walking through with me today. And until next time, everyone, bye for now.
Come along, let's take this walk together. We're together. Tell me I'm not dreaming. Wait for me. Just take a look around you. Can't you see?